Hey there and welcome to the video. If you're tired of receiving annoying calls or spam texts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to block unwanted numbers directly from your Android phone. The process is quick, easy, and requires no third-party apps. Let's get started. Open the phone app on your mobile device. Tap on the two dots at the top right corner of the screen. Select Block and Filter from the menu. Again, tap on the two dots at the top right corner. Now click on Set Rules. Choose Blocklist from the list of settings. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to add a number. Here, you'll be given two options. Select a number from your contacts or enter a number manually. If you choose to enter the number manually, simply type in the number you want to block. Finally, tap the OK icon to confirm and save the number to your block list. That's it. Now that number won't be able to contact you again. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.